Hello to everyone. Today in the volume 16 of the places around Varanasi, I will be taking you to yet another beautiful waterfall which is around 45 to 50 kilometers from Varanasi city. It's called Siddhanath Ki Dari. This is the flow of the river Jargo after the waterfall, which flows in between the Vindhya mountain ranges. It is surrounded by dense forests and beautiful fields and landscapes. The Vindhya mountains are older than Himalayas, and not far away from this place is the river Ganga. It's around 20 kilometers from the Chunar railway station. We have been to this place many times and it attracts us a lot. There's a lot of history associated with this place. River Jargo flows in between the mountains and then meets Gangaji near Chunar. Now I will be telling you some very interesting history and legends about this place, how to reach this place, and what are the other places which one can enjoy in the nearby areas which I have covered in detail in my other videos. This is the Baba Siddhanath Ji caves. He was a saint in 15th and 16th century. He used to live here. This is his place of meditation. Indeed a very beautiful and powerful place. There's a very interesting story associated with this fort, which is now Paramahansa Ashram. Baba Swami Arganand Ji stays here, author of Yatharth Gita. Now one can reach here by train also. This is the Chhattisgarh railway station, which is situated on Chunar, Robertsganj, Churk railway line. This Vindhya plateau is continued in the east as Kaimur plateau and in the west as Aravalli mountain ranges. This is separated from the mighty Himalayas by vast plains of Ganga and Yamuna and their tributaries. One can enjoy a lot of beautiful waterfalls, dams, rivers, forests in these regions. Now I will be telling you about very interesting history of the Chhattisgarh fort. This fort was built in the era of Emperor Akbar by Raja Shakti Singh Ji after taking permission from him to take control of the Kol tribals who used to live here. The Chhattisgarh fort, which is where now stands the Paramahansa Ashram, is located around 18 kilometers away from the Chunar city, where the famous Chunar fort is there on the banks of the river Ganga, which was built by Raja Vikramaditya Ji in 2nd century BC. The place where this fort was chosen to be built was the place where Baba Siddhanath Ji used to meditate. So when he got the information that a fort is being planned to build at his place of meditation, he said that the fort may be built at some another place so that his place of meditation is not disturbed. So the fort was built around 2 kilometers away from the present Siddhanath Ji ki Gufa, the Siddhanath Ji's place where he used to meditate. Before the construction of this fort, the region was dominated by Kol tribes, and hence this area was also called as Kolana. The Kol, Bhil and Musar tribes used to dominate these places. There are many forts in these places, in the surrounding Mirzapur and in the Robertsganj Sonbhadra area, the famous being the Chandrakanta Palace. The Chandrakanta Palace is in the Vijaygarh Fort, the Naugarh Fort, the Chhattisgarh Fort, Agori Fort near River Son, the Chunar Fort. The famous novel of Chandrakanta Santati was written by Sri Devkinandan Ji Khatri in around 1888. The stories is woven around these beautiful forts. They have got lot of mysteries associated with them. The Tilasm and the Ayyar. These are wonderful stories about these forts if you read that beautiful novel. So when one visits these places, it's like a visit in the history. It's like a time is frozen here. Now a word about how to reach this place. From Varanasi, if you start, one can reach Chunar via Adalhat and then crossing the river Ganga over the newly made bridge, and then through Chunar fort and the Chunar city one can reach this place, taking the road to Rajgarh from Chunar. And the other place one can go via from Varanasi to Ramnagar and then Tangra Mode and then Narayanpur, and then one can reach the Chunar. So I hope you enjoyed this place and this video. Thank you very much.